Hello and welcome back to another PicoCTF problem in web exploitation, which is scavenger hunt. And as the name suggests, that scavenger hunt is looking for a lot of clues to find in order to find or parts of the actual answer. So in the description, there is something interesting information hidden around this site. So a link is given, and we have to find for that. And in the hint, there is said that you should have enough hints to find the files, don't run a brute forcer. So we can just for this one we don't have to use any sort of intruder or of burp suite. So let's go to the link, and it's similar to the cookies website. And here, as you can see, this is similar to the web exploitation challenge we have done in the past. So let's try again and inspecting the source. So if we inspect the source for the HTML file, we have found the first part, which we actually found in similar to the challenge we have done before. And if we go back to the mycss.js, here's part 2. And if we go back to myjs.js, this time we have been said that how can I keep Google from indexing my website. So if we search this in Google, so as you can see that there is two ways we can do that. So one is actually implementing no index as a meta tag, and we have to specify no index rule in the robots.txt file. So let's actually see the robots.txt file for this one and see if it's actually working like that. So here, as you can see, there is the part 3 of our flag, and let's copy this back to this submit button. And in this case, the next part is given. So it's written that I think this is an Apache server. Can you access the next flag? And for any Apache server, we have to understand how this works first. So let's see the Apache HTTP tutorial of. So this is the tutorial for Apache HTTP server, and a lot of things are written here. That authentication, authorization, access control, and we have to look for something related to HTML, HTTP request of Apache server. So here, as you can see, .htaccess files provide a way to make configuration changes on a per directory basis. So if we assume that the robots.txt file had the part of our flag, and .htaccess file is similarly a file compared to robots.txt, let's search this. Since this is a Apache server, the .htaccess file should be here, as we have seen in the tutorial. As you can see, that part 4 of the flag is found, so we'll be copying this and paste it. So the next hint is, I love making website on Mac. I can store a lot of information there. So for Mac, there is a difference between storing information compared to the other operating systems. So if we search for how can I which file stores information of website in Mac. So there is a lot of things coming, uh, local storage, but this is a folder. Then get a folder and disk information on Mac. In the finder, this is not about HTML. So here in Wikipedia we are getting the store. So as you can see, there is .ts store, so meaning this is a file, and it is a file that stores custom attributes of its containing folder. So this actually contains this is actually a file similar to robust.txt and a.htaccess. So if we copy this and search here, so we have finally found the part 5, which is the last part, since we have the last curly braces, and submit this here. So we have finally solved this one. So thank you so much. This was it for this challenge, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.